Sunday, a church in Ghana is blazing. They're all praying to God, but this Sunday, it is different. The pastor has asked congregants to bring the flag of the country they want to go to. There is a saying, God helps those who help themselves. These ones don't look like they want to help themselves, they just want to take the shortcut to run. This feels like the countries they want to escape to. African residents have given up on their governments, and now they all want to run to other countries. The question is, who is going to fix their countries when they all want to run away? Here they are in a boat, trying to reach Europe through Libya. It is extremely dangerous, and many of them end up being captured in Libya and forced into slavery.
Stupid black Africans! What you come do in North Africa? You come to our country to steal and you leave your country.
The cycle continues from one generation to the next. Who is going to fix? If all generations want to run to another country, imagine if Dangote had decided to escape to South Africa and finish his money with Nesh and Slay Queens. He decided to stay and build. We need more of people like him. We can see a powerful example of this in the video, where a pastor asks members of the church to bring the flags of the countries they would like to escape to, and the entire church erupts with excitement. But is this really the message that Jesus Christ was trying to preach? Jesus spoke about the power within people, said that we are all gods. He taught that the answer was not always somewhere outside of us, but that human beings carry the potential to transform their own circumstances. If we believe that, then perhaps the solution to Africa's problems cannot always be found by running away. Perhaps it must also be found within our communities. Thanks for watching Intellect African News segment, where we bring you African stories by African people. Don't forget to like and subscribe.